Hello everyone, Sam is from myforex.com, making this a small video about the last week trades. So let's get started. Week started on the 9th, and this is the first trade was on the 10th, pound Aussie to the upside, and this was on the 12th, 11th. There were several entries on the 11th, but I couldn't close it because the 11th was very slow, and held those trades on to the next day. And the 12th, then they got closed. Aussie USD, one of them on the 12th, then New USD on the same on the 12th. These two were because of USD weakness. Also Euro USD because of the USD weakness on the 12th. The 12th, Euro Aussie went down. Here the sell entry here, right? On the left, you can see my entry and SL move to break even. Always before I close my trade, I record these charts and then I close the trades and look for another entry. Excuse me, I was a hiccup. And that 12th again here, buy entry here, right? Beautiful. By the book, all the entries are with the setup, nothing randomly. All by the Magic Ivy system. Okay, and here you can see the same thing. Here was in a hurry. Yeah. So on the 12th, Aussie yen 125 pip, and this is the one that when I was expecting. This is before the results of that election in UK. I was expecting pound to drop, and it started dropping, started getting weaker, and then Aussie was getting strong. So there was first entry, and then it didn't move much. Then the second entry, and it started moving big time. And just recorded the chart and closed these trades before it just went bazooka to the upside. I was just got lucky, I guess. And then on the 13th, you can see that once the big move happened after the results came out, pound got very strong, and then hitting in the respective areas. For example, pound USD, this was a big number. I even posted on my Telegram channel that we are just hit the 3502 and we may drop. And I was watching it and then start dropping, so I got in here and straight down to 120 pip. Similarly, with the pound hitting and then getting weaker, pound USD went down, and I also got in the pound yen. Here, see, this is my Telegram. I posted the chart and note about the GJ that is gonna hit 48.19 and then probably gonna drop. And here's the pound USD chart here. 3502 was hitting here, so that's what really happened here. 3502 hit and start dropping, right? So this is the one, and then this one, pound yen. Before just below 48.19. This is held one time, second, third, 47.76 was acting as a resistance and start dropping. That was my entry right there, sell entry for 170 pip. And then another one on the Euro Aussie. This is the one that I made a move here, the buy entry here from the 20-minute chart. It went up all the way very nicely, but then it dropped, and still I'm hoping it, because 38% usually bounce back again and then goes back to 127 to make up to make this butterfly pattern. So that's what I'm hoping. This chart is the trade is still alive with the weekend, and left it open, and let's see what happens. Okay, but this is what I'm expecting, and if not, I'm sitting on the break even, so no hard feeling. And then this is Euro CAD. Also, it went down here. Went up, but I was still saved, and then it went down again, and this is what happens here on the sell order. So these are the few trades last week. Pretty good still, right? Even though the election, and then there's a lot of volatility and ups and downs, but I came out pretty good, and this is because of the system and my analysis, basically. So that's why if you want to learn the whole thing, go on my website, subscribe, and be a part of it. Learn how to do it, how to do the analysis, and this harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, this and that. Every little bit helps. Like this one, I'm in the SNR level trade. My system worked fine, thank you. But I'm also catching up and watching, for harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, everything. So, and that gives me the target. That's why in the daily range also, right? So that gives me the reason that to hold my trades for 100, 125, 130 pip, 40 pip, right? pound yen is still 170 pip, because the reason was that it went up to 500-600 pips, so it has to drop at least 200 pip, right? Retracement. So to learn all of that, be a part of my group. Go subscribe and start learning. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the weekend actually.